Every pencil begins long before it touches paper.
Sustainability ensures the forest gives without losing.
Straight grain wood forms the backbone of every pencil.
From forest floor to factory floor. Pressure locks wood and graphite together. Inside, raw materials transform into precision tools. Every log is selected for straight grain and strength. Precision cutting begins the shaping process.
Only flawless wood moves forward.
Moisture must be removed for stability and durability. Now ready to be formed with precision. Wood and graphite will soon unite. Next, precision grooves define the pencil's heart. At the core of every pencil lies graphite and clay.
The ratio determines the pencil's hardness.
Uniform blending ensures consistent writing quality. Moisture transforms powder into formable paste. Pressure shapes the future writing core.
Each core must match exact dimensions.
Stability begins once the heat fades. Heat locks in durability and smoothness. Precision here ensures smooth writing later.
Even the unseen core must be flawless.
Hardness defines how a pencil leaves its mark. Stability ensures perfect shaping ahead. Next, wood and graphite finally unite. Each groove is carved to cradle a graphite core. The heart of the pencil finds its place. Two layers unite around the graphite core. Prepared wood now meets precision engineering.
Time and heat strengthen the bond.
A fine layer of adhesive secures the core. Centered cores guarantee balanced sharpening.
From flat boards to individual pencils.
Drying strengthens the graphite structure.
Precision cutters begin carving individual pencil profiles.
The iconic hexagon prevents rolling and improves grip. Different designs serve different preferences.
From one board, dozens of pencils emerge.
Uniformity ensures balanced performance. Sanding refines the surface for painting. Clean surfaces ensure flawless coating. Quality control eliminates imperfections. Durability is tested before finishing.
The transformation from raw wood to polished tool begins.
Color defines brand identity.
Next, layers of lacquer will seal and beautify.
A clean tip ensures a smooth first stroke.
Rotation ensures a flawless, streak-free finish. Controlled heat cures the first coat.
Layer by layer, brilliance builds. Polishing refines the shine. Polishing refines the sensation. A protective shell completes the exterior.
Patience ensures a resilient coating.
Brand identity is about to be pressed into place. A single press defines authenticity.
Clarity matters, even in the smallest details.
Traceability ensures accountability.
For many pencils, one final touch remains.
The small metal band is called the ferrule. Soft rubber plugs prepare for insertion. Precision alignment ensures secure attachment. A final component completes the writing tool. Crimping secures the bond permanently. Strength testing prevents premature detachment.
An eraser must remove without tearing.
Perfect alignment reflects careful engineering.
Some pencils are sharpened before packaging.
Precision sharpening reveals the writing point. The first layer seals the wood surface. Now, the final checks before reaching the world.
From long and new to small and trusted. Graphite meets paper. From technical lines to artistic expression. Each batch proves its writing quality.
a simple decision begins a new story.
From technical lines to artistic expression. Graphite meets paper.
Craftsmanship revealed in the smallest detail.
Packaging protects and presents the product.
Human touch confirms machine precision.
Each set is aligned for retail display. Bulk packaging streamlines distribution.
The pencil changes hands.
Imperfections are removed instantly.
Before packaging, every pencil faces a final visual review.